What's up, guys? Thank you as always for tuning in to Dadlife. This is going to be a quick video, basically a little follow-up to the spacer install video. Just some little tips, tricks, of course a walk around video to kind of show you since the suspension has settled, driving it, and also a link to where I purchased the spacers from. If you haven't yet, of course, watched the video before this, go watch the video. It's a how-to of how to install the spacers in case you've never done it, some tips and tricks, how to jack the car up, things like that. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the video.
Think of my words. Ew, can't think of my words, Bobby, bro. And go.
All right, guys, one last thing I want to mention here is you're going to want to drive around for probably about, 20 miles, 50 miles or so, and then take your wheels back off and check the spacers that they stayed torqued down. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that. Other than that, thank you guys as always for enjoying the video. A little walk around. You can kind of see what we're working with. All right, guys, so just some tips and tricks again about installing the spacers. So make sure you take your time, install the spacers, slide them over the stock studs. Again, definitely do your research. If it's been done, by now it's probably been done on the type of car you drive, whether it's a Corvette or not. But again, if you're here for this content, watch this video, you probably have a C5 Corvette. So if you're running 20 millimeter spacers, the ones that I purchased or similar, as long as your wheels you're using have the recesses and they're deep enough pockets in the back of the wheels, you should get away with not having to trim the stock studs. But again, should. Every application will be different. The wheels could be made different. If they're a replica wheel, it might have a pocket in the back, but it could be not as deep as the OEM. Again, mine are OEM Grand Sport wheels. Purchased them used, drove up about 3 hours to New York a couple years ago with tires, 500 bones. So again, don't be afraid to shop, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. People will still have deals out there. People upgrade wheels, especially C6 and, next Corvette model year up type guys. So you can always find C6 or maybe even some C7 wheels with tires for under $1,000 and still get good life out of them. In my case, a steal. The spacers, I'm going to put a link here. Make sure you fully read the description. Again, you're looking for a 5x4.75 bolt pattern. They're about 40-50 bucks right now. The link says 999 bucks. That's not what I spent on them. That just means if you're unfamiliar with eBay, what that does is they jack the price up ridiculously so they don't get any orders as they make more, and then they drop back down to the everyday price. Feel free to message the company Premier Auto Accessories out of California direct on eBay and see if they have one in stock and maybe they didn't just update. As always, thank you guys for the new subscribers to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up like button. Give me a subscribe if you have not. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to drop a comment. I'm doing my best to reply to the comments. Good or bad, I guess you should say. So thank you guys as always for watching. This has been another quick episode of Dadlife. This is Dadlife. Ow.